In this video, we will go over how you can leverage both types of targeting with sponsored products to ensure your campaigns are set up for success. How do you find the right keywords for a successful sponsored products ad campaign? Sponsored products ads help you drive sales on Amazon by targeting relevant shopper searches. You can maximize your reach by creating two types of sponsored products campaigns, one with automatic targeting and one with manual targeting. Create a sponsored products campaign using automatic targeting where Amazon matches relevant shopper search terms to your products. Then, after running your campaign for 2 weeks, create an additional sponsored products campaign with manual targeting where you choose your keywords. To choose those keywords, take a look at the search term report from your automatic campaign under the Advertising Reports tab for your automatic campaign and identify the ones generating the most clicks and sales. Then, apply these top performers to your manual campaign. This approach lets you do two important things: stay on top of search trends with your automatic campaign and double down on the most effective keywords in your manual campaign. Manual targeting gives you the option of setting keyword-level bids, which means you can bid more competitively and confidently on the ones you know are meeting your sales goals. For automatic targeting, you can set one bid for each ad group, and Amazon automatically targets relevant shopper search terms based on your products. For manual targeting, you can set bids on the keywords of your choice. This lets you add high-performing shopper search terms from your automatic targeting campaigns as keywords in your manual targeted campaign and set keyword-level bids. Earlier in this series, we covered how to create an automatic targeting campaign. We recommend watching that short video if you haven't created an automatic targeting campaign before. After the campaign has been running for at least 2 weeks, download the search term report from the Advertising Reports tab and open it with a spreadsheet application. Using data such as impressions, clicks, average cost per click, and advertising cost of sale, or ACoS, you can identify search terms that have performed better than others. Search terms that have high impressions and high conversions may be good keywords as long as the average cost per click suits your strategy. After you've identified potential keywords, you're ready to create a campaign with manual targeting. Just like before, create a sponsored products campaign, but this time select manual targeting and enter keywords that you would want to target from your automatic targeting campaign report. Aim for at least 30 keywords in each campaign to boost your performance. You can determine the match type to use. When getting started, we recommend broad match. This match type will extend your potential reach by targeting the widest set of shopper searches. However, feel free to narrow your match type to phrase and exact in order to tighten the search queries on keywords. To help increase your sales on these keywords, set your default bid a little higher on your manual targeting campaign than the bid you set for your automatic targeting campaign. Note that if you are bidding on the same keyword in 2 campaigns in the same account, you will not compete against yourself. Over time, consider increasing your bid on the campaign's top performing keywords. Give the campaign a week or 2 to collect performance data. Keep both your automatic and manual campaigns up and running and check your search term report regularly to identify new keywords. Remember that if you are bidding on the same keyword in 2 campaigns in the same account, you will not compete against yourself. Thank you for joining us. We highly suggest you run both campaigns with no end date as an always-on approach. This is a great way to continuously collect search data and help you find the best keywords to improve your advertising results and sales.